Hello everyone, today I want to show you this very sophisticated, very sleek, very Kardashian look. Hello everyone, today I want to show you this very sophisticated, very sleek, very Kardashian, very nude, very wearable look. So I hope you like it and let's get started. I'll do GIORGIO ARMANI. I'll do Charlotte Tilbury's powder, the Airbrush Flawless Finish to set. And this was just a light base, but now I want to put the Wonderglow Instant Soft Focus Beauty sample on my face after the foundation so that I can see like a little bit of glow and shimmer on my face. Next I'm going to use the Painterly, which is the MAC base. I'm not sure if it is visible. Apply it on this part of the eye, and I will take Palette Signature Matte DIOR, and I want to use this color right here and apply it all over my lid. What I want to do next is take a dark brown color. I'm gonna use the one from the Chanel palette, Candeur and Experience, and I will use this dark brown with this brush, and so go just into the socket and try to blend inside. Here, when I come here, I just want to extend up. So now I will take the lighter brown and start blending upwards. I will use another brush and blend it upwards. So now I want to take the hyperblack 65 liquid, not liquid, gel eyeliner from Chanel, and then I am going to create a quite thick line. I would also like to connect it with the lower lash, so I'm just gonna continue and then very gently apply and smudge the line underneath. And I want to take the same palette that I used for my eyeshadow, and probably I will take the lightest color and the angle brush and just go underneath the eye. If you feel like it's not the right color, maybe just build with the darker, a little bit darker color, this one. Not the darkest though. And next I will take the Studio Chromographic Pencil Crayon motif from MAC and use it inside the eyes. I'll take a dark brown color, probably this one, in the angle brush. Maybe I'm gonna mix it with the next one and try painting on top of my eyebrows. And what I'm missing for the eyes is the shine, so I am going to take the Charlotte Tilbury Filmstar Bronze and Glow, the highlighter, and put it in the inner corner. Maybe I'll use this brush to just go inside.
Ain't no use of hanging round. Ain't no use, I put you down. You've been.
And I have recently purchased this set of eyelashes, which is only corner eyelashes. Okay, so this is how they look like. I don't know if they're visible, but one is, this is the upper part of the right lash and this is the lower part, and they have like little glue or self-adhesive here in the middle, and so you have to connect them like this. Oops. Yeah, there. Okay, it's actually magnetic. Oops. Oh, quite cool. Okay, I think that I got how to do them. So basically I will have to put the one on top first, and then go with the magnet. Yeah, still need to try several times. You keep the one on top, you open your eyes wider, and there it is. I think it's a little bit too much. For the mouth, I'm going to use the 17 color One Bear, and this time I am going to draw the line on top and bottom and create like an ombre and a shadow in the corners, but I'm not gonna fill in this part. So let's have a look.
Shadows around me just disappeared from view. The world became rosy, each corner so cozy. Darling, all because of you. You showed me the way. And if I've learned that love can be.
And I want to take the Charlotte Tilbury Penelope Pink and just using my finger, tap in the middle. And then from here I am almost done. I want to take the Comfort bronzing powder and put a little bit of Healthy Glow on my face. Okay, and then I want to use the Charlotte Tilbury highlighter. Each corner so cozy, darling, all because of you. You showed me the way. And I'm gonna take this one, the bronzer. Say
of hanging round. Ain't no use, I put you down. There's no love left in my heart for you. Ain't no use for you to cry.